Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Range Rover Evoque for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the brake, press the engine start-stop button there. Car fires up very nicely. Turn the gear knob round into drive and away we go. Oh, you just saw the reversing camera pop up there because it went through reverse. Nice feature to have. Also front and rear parking sensors. But anyway, we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Gearbox feels really good, really smooth. Can't feel the gear changes at all. The suspension rides the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes and steering feel spot on. It's a really nice car to drive, lovely high up driving position, really good forward visibility. The car's got amazing specification, so you can get Evoques that are a bit basic, but this one is luxurious. These leather seats are gorgeous, so comfortable, heated in the front as well. You've got a really nice large widescreen touchscreen multimedia system, which includes sat nav on there. So yeah, it includes sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free, as well as audio streaming. You've got dual zone climate control, really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with all the controls at your fingertips, including flappy paddles should you want to manually take over the gearbox. Cruise control. It's just really nice specification all round. It's a really smooth car to drive, and this one's driving spot on as it should. I think the car looks fantastic from the outside as well, with all the black pack, all the black bits on it, and the black 20-inch alloy wheels. Really handsome looking car. So yeah, there we are. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.